What is E&O Insurance? E&O Insurance, also known as Errors Omissions Insurance, is a type of professional liability insurance that protects businesses from legal claims due to errors or omissions in their services or advice. It is a form of financial protection that helps businesses protect their assets in the event of a lawsuit. Why is E&O Insurance important? E&O Insurance is important for any business that provides advice or services to its clients. Without it, a company may be liable for any mistakes or negligence they make while providing services. This can include claims such as negligence, misrepresentation, and breach of contract. Having E&O Insurance can help cover the costs associated with defending against such claims, which can be significant. Who needs E&O Insurance? Any business that provides advice or services to its clients should consider purchasing E&O Insurance. This includes professionals such as lawyers, accountants, real estate agents, architects, engineers, and more. It's important to note that even if you are established and experienced in your profession, you still need E&O Insurance as mistakes can still happen. How much does E&O Insurance cost? The cost of E&O Insurance varies depending on the type of business you have and the level of coverage you want. Generally speaking, the higher the level of coverage you select, the higher your premium will be. However, it's important to remember that investing in E&O Insurance can save you money in the long run by protecting your assets from costly lawsuits. What is E&O Insurance and why you should consider it? What is E&O Insurance? E&O Insurance, also known as professional liability or Errors Omissions Insurance, is a type of insurance policy that helps protect businesses from liabilities and losses resulting from mistakes or negligence in the performance of their professional services. It covers financial losses due to errors and omissions, as well as legal fees associated with defending against claims. E&O Insurance can be tailored to fit the specific needs of a business, from small startups to large corporations. For example, an engineering firm may opt for a policy that covers the specific risks associated with their line of work, while a law firm may choose a policy that includes coverage for malpractice claims. Regardless of the industry, E&O Insurance can provide important protection for businesses in case something goes wrong with their services. It helps cover the costs associated with defending against any claims of negligence or errors, as well as any judgments or settlements that may be issued against them. Why should you consider E&O Insurance? Having E&O Insurance can provide peace of mind and financial protection should something go wrong with your business's services. Without it, you could be facing significant financial repercussions if you are sued for negligence or recklessness in relation to your professional services. E&O Insurance can also help protect your business's reputation in case of an incident involving professional negligence. Having adequate coverage in place can help ensure that any legal fees resulting from such an incident are covered, allowing you to focus on restoring your reputation rather than worrying about how you will pay for any damages or judgments awarded against you. Finally, having E&O Insurance can be essential for staying compliant with industry regulations and standards. Many professions require proof of this type of coverage before they will issue credentials or licenses to practice within their field. Who should consider getting E&O Insurance? Benefits of E&O Insurance. E&O Insurance, also known as professional liability insurance, is an important type of insurance for many businesses, especially those that provide professional services. It provides protection from claims arising from errors and omissions, negligence, or professional malpractice. E&O Insurance can help protect a business from the costs associated with defending itself against these kinds of claims and from any damages that may be awarded. Who should consider getting E&O Insurance? Any business that provides professional services should consider getting E&O Insurance. This includes lawyers, accountants, real estate agents and brokers, financial advisors, consultants, architects, engineers, IT professionals, and even medical professionals. Any of these businesses could find themselves liable for mistakes or oversights they make while providing their services. By having E&O Insurance in place, they can protect themselves against potential legal expenses and financial losses due to a mistake or oversight. What does E&O Insurance cover? E&O Insurance covers a variety of different types of claims related to errors and omissions made by the insured business in the course of providing their services. These types of claims can include breach of contract, negligence in performance or advice given, failure to exercise due care in providing services or advice given, libel and slander claims arising from published material or oral statements made by the insured business concerning another party's goods or services. The policy also offers coverage for defense costs associated with defending the claim as well as any damages awarded should a claim be successful. How much does E&O insurance cost? The cost of E&O insurance will depend on the type of business being insured and the amount of coverage being sought. Generally speaking, it is more expensive for businesses that are considered higher risk, such as medical professionals, than it is for those that are considered lower risk, such as financial advisors or IT professionals. The cost will also vary depending on the amount of coverage being sought, as well as any additional riders or endorsements added to the policy. What kind of coverage do E&O policies provide? What kind of coverage do E&O policies provide? E&O, errors and omissions. Insurance provides coverage for businesses and professionals against negligence in the performance of their services. This type of insurance is essential for any business or professional that provides services to clients, as it can protect them from costly legal fees and settlements if a client were to file a claim against them. The coverage provided by E&O policies varies depending on the individual policy and the company providing the coverage. Generally speaking, however, most policies provide financial protection for claims such as wrongful acts, errors, omissions, misstatements, neglect, or breach of duty by the insured. Policies may also provide coverage for defense costs and attorney fees associated with a claim. In addition to providing financial protection for claims related to errors or omissions, some E&O policies may also provide coverage for other types of risks such as libel and slander, copyright infringement, or unfair competition, depending on the policy and insurer. Additional coverages may be available, such as liability coverage for bodily injury or property damage caused by the insured services. E&O policies are typically written on a claims-made basis, which means that only claims made during the policy period will be covered. It is important to remember that E&O insurance does not cover intentional acts or dishonest behavior on behalf of the insured. It is strictly designed to protect against unintentional mistakes or oversights that may occur during the course of business operations. What are the benefits of having E&O insurance? What are the benefits of having E&O insurance? Errors and omissions. E&O insurance is an important type of coverage for any business that provides professional services. It is designed to protect companies from claims of negligence, failure to perform, or breach of contract. E&O insurance policies can help cover the costs associated with defending against a lawsuit and paying any damages that may be awarded. Here are some of the key benefits of having E&O insurance. 1. Protection from liability claims. E&O insurance can provide protection from liability claims stemming from errors or omissions made while providing services to clients. This type of coverage can help cover legal fees associated with defending against a lawsuit, as well as any damages that may be awarded in the case. 2. Peace of mind. Knowing that your business is protected against potential legal issues provides peace of mind for those running a professional service-oriented company. With an E&O policy in place, you can focus on providing excellent customer service without worrying about potential financial losses due to errors or omissions made while performing services. 3. Cost savings. E&O insurance policies are generally more affordable than other types of liability coverage, and they often include additional benefits such as coverage for lost deposits and other financial losses related to errors or omissions made while providing services to clients. 4. Competitive edge. Having E&O insurance can give your business a competitive edge over other companies in your field who do not have this type of coverage in place. This can help attract new customers and boost your reputation as a reliable provider of professional services. What are the disadvantages of having E&O insurance? While errors and omissions, E&O insurance can be an invaluable asset to a business, it also carries some potential drawbacks. The primary drawback is the cost of obtaining and maintaining E&O insurance. Depending on the specific policy, the premiums may be costly and require payments on an annual or semi-annual basis. In addition, E&O policies may not cover all potential losses or damages, meaning the business may still be left with some financial responsibility in certain cases. Another potential downside of E&O insurance is that it can create a false sense of security for business owners. While most policies will protect against negligence and other errors, they do not necessarily protect against intentional acts of wrongdoing or illegal activities. It is important to understand all of the limitations associated with a particular policy before relying too heavily on it. Finally, some businesses may find that having E&O insurance can affect their ability to compete in certain markets or attract certain customers. If a competitor does not have such coverage, they may be able to offer more competitive rates or services without worrying about the additional cost associated with obtaining and maintaining an E&O policy. As such, it is important for business owners to consider how having an E&O policy might affect their competitive position before investing in one.
Your support will help us continue to produce high-quality content that will benefit the business community. So, don't wait any longer, hit that subscribe button, share our videos with your friends and family, and give us a like. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.